What is up guys, welcome back to the Rev Report. Today we'll be taking the Mazda MX-5 2019 GT manual for a test drive. Let's go. So this is what the car looks like. It's in this nice gunmetal grey. And it's the GT, so it's the RF version. And this is the 2-litre petrol engine as well. So we'll take it out for a drive and give it some exhaust revs. Let's go. So the seat can't actually be adjusted to go any lower. So this is the lowest it will go. But anyways, let's continue. Gearbox feels very nice and short, notchy, very tight. Now this is nice. This I approve of. It is a little shaky with the steering, but it's a pretty good car overall. Too much wind here, but overall a nice package. The MX-5 does have a lot of body roll. So this is how the roof goes down. And you've also got a screen here that shows you how it goes in. Pretty nice, I have to say. Now I'll show you how it sounds like when we rev it up. Let's go. I have to say, this MX-5 was an absolute joy to drive, although it does have some body roll that can be easily fixed. It is rear-wheel drive, so it does have that feeling of getting pushed, and it has that awesome manual gearbox. So this concludes the end of the test drive. I'll catch you all in the next one. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Cheers, have a good one.